Ever dreamed of stepping into a real-life fairy tale? What if I told you there are hidden gems in Ireland that most tourists completely miss, and you're about to discover them all? If you've ever imagined emerald green hills, ancient castles whispering tales of old, or the coziest pubs where music flows as freely as the Guinness, then welcome to your ultimate guide to Ireland. This isn't just another travel list, it's your personal roadmap to unlocking the very soul of the Emerald Isle. We're about to dive deep into 30 experiences that will not just make your trip, but define it. From jaw-dropping natural wonders to vibrant city life and moments of pure magic you won't find anywhere else, get ready to fill your bucket list with adventures you never even knew existed. Ready to discover why Ireland will steal your heart forever? So, you've decided to venture to Ireland, the land of saints and scholars, poets and pints. But with so much beauty packed into one island, how do you even begin to choose? It can feel overwhelming, right? You want to make sure you're not just ticking off famous spots, but truly feeling the spirit of Ireland. That's the challenge many travelers face: how to go beyond the postcards and truly immerse themselves. Well, that's exactly what we're here for. We've sifted through countless experiences to bring you a curated list of 30 things that will give you a taste of everything Ireland has to offer, making sure your trip is nothing short of legendary. Let's kick things off with some truly iconic landmarks that feel like they've leaped right out of a storybook. First up, you absolutely have to kiss the Blarney Stone at Blarney Castle. Legend says it bestows the gift of gab, giving you eloquence and persuasiveness. It's a bit of a contortionist act. You lean backward, holding onto railings, to kiss the stone. But trust me, the giggles, the photo op, and the centuries-old tradition make it totally worth it. Plus, the castle and its gardens are stunning to explore afterward. Next, head to Dublin and tour Trinity College, home to the magnificent Book of Kells. Walking through the cobbled grounds of Trinity feels like stepping back in time. The old library, with its towering wooden shelves and literary treasures, is breathtaking, and seeing the Book of Kells, an illuminated manuscript from around 800 AD, is like looking at a piece of living history. The intricate artwork is just mind-blowing. Then, make your way to Tipperary to explore the Rock of Cashel. This dramatic cluster of medieval buildings, including a cathedral, chapel, and round tower, sits atop a limestone outcrop, dominating the landscape. It's truly a sight to behold, especially when the light hits it just right. You can practically hear the echoes of ancient kings and bishops as you wander through its ruins. While in Dublin, a powerful and poignant visit awaits at Kilmainham Jail. This former prison played a crucial role in Irish history, holding many leaders of Irish rebellions. A guided tour here is incredibly moving and offers a deep insight into Ireland's struggle for independence. It's a sobering but essential experience to understand the country's past. Switching gears to Northern Ireland, you cannot miss visiting the Titanic Belfast. This incredible modern museum stands on the very slipways where the Titanic was built. It's an immersive experience that tells the story of the ship from its design and construction to its tragic maiden voyage and ultimate discovery. It's not just about the disaster, it's about the city and the people who built it. For something truly ancient and remote, take the boat trip out to Skellig Michael. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is an ancient monastic settlement perched dramatically on a jagged rock island in the Atlantic. The climb up the ancient stone steps is challenging but rewarding, offering unparalleled views and a sense of profound peace. It was even featured in Star Wars. Remember, it's only accessible during good weather, so plan ahead. Another Northern Irish gem is Dunluce Castle. This ruined medieval castle sits on a dramatic cliff edge, connected to the mainland by a bridge. Its picturesque decay, combined with the wild Atlantic backdrop, makes for incredible photos and a sense of powerful history. It's easy to imagine knights and lords roaming these halls. Back in Dublin, make sure to visit the National Museum of Ireland. Actually, there are a few branches: natural history, archaeology, decorative arts, and history. The Archaeology Museum, in particular, is fantastic, showcasing prehistoric gold, Viking artifacts, and ancient bog bodies. It's a brilliant way to connect with Ireland's rich past. While you're in the capital, St. Patrick's Cathedral is a must-see. It's the national cathedral of the Church of Ireland and boasts stunning Gothic architecture. The sheer scale and beauty of the interior are impressive, and it's steeped in history, including connections to Jonathan Swift, the author of Gulliver's Travels. Finally, for a truly ancient wonder, visit Newgrange. This prehistoric monument is older than Stonehenge and the Egyptian pyramids, dating back to around 3200 BC. It's a passage tomb that aligns perfectly with the winter solstice sunrise, illuminating the inner chamber. The guided tour is fascinating, and you get to experience a simulation of the solstice light show. It's truly humbling to stand somewhere so ancient. Now, let's talk about the natural beauty that gives Ireland its Emerald Isle nickname. These are the places where the land itself tells a story. No trip to Ireland is complete without standing atop the majestic Cliffs of Moher. Rising dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, these cliffs are a powerful testament to nature's grandeur. The panoramic views are simply breathtaking, especially on a clear day when you can see for miles. Just be sure to hold on to your hat. It can get windy. For the ultimate road trip, drive the Wild Atlantic Way. This epic coastal route stretches 500 kilometers along Ireland's western seaboard. It's a journey of a lifetime, winding past rugged cliffs, hidden beaches, charming villages, and countless photo opportunities. It's not just a drive, it's an exploration. In Northern Ireland, prepare to be amazed by the geological marvel that is the Giant's Causeway. These hexagonal basalt columns, formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago, look like something out of a myth. Legend says they were built by the giant Finn McCool. Whether you believe the science or the legend, it's an utterly unique landscape. For those who love to stretch their legs, hike in the Wicklow Mountains National Park. Known as the Garden of Ireland, Wicklow offers stunning glens, sparkling lakes, and beautiful walking trails just south of Dublin. Glendalough, with its monastic settlement and 2 serene lakes, is a highlight within the park. Escape the mainland and take a ferry to the Aran Islands. These 3 remote islands off the coast of Galway are a stronghold of traditional Irish culture, language, and stunning windswept landscapes. Rent a bike and cycle along quiet roads, exploring ancient forts and enjoying the tranquility. Next, immerse yourself in the wild beauty of the Dingle Peninsula. This finger of land in County Kerry boasts some of Ireland's most spectacular coastal scenery, charming towns, and even its own resident dolphin, Fungi. Though he hasn't been seen recently, the magic of Dingle remains. Drive the Sleehead Drive for incredible views. Just south of Dingle is another iconic drive, the Ring of Kerry. This 179-kilometer circular route takes you through some of Ireland's most spectacular landscapes, from rugged coastline and sandy beaches to charming villages and mountain passes. It's a classic for a reason, offering endless beauty around every bend. For a taste of wild, untamed nature, explore Connemara National Park. This region in County Galway is characterized by its dramatic mountains, expansive bogs, sparkling lakes, and rugged coastline. Hike Diamond Hill for incredible panoramic views, and soak in the raw beauty of the Irish wilderness. Finally, for a different perspective on Ireland's stunning coastline, go on a boat tour. Whether it's exploring sea caves, spotting dolphins, or cruising past dramatic cliffs, seeing Ireland from the water offers unique views and a fresh appreciation for its rugged beauty. Many towns along the coast offer various boat trips. Now, let's dive into the heart of Irish culture and experience the lively buzz of its cities. You absolutely must experience Dublin's pub culture. It's not just about drinking, it's about the craic, the fun, conversation, and camaraderie. Find a cozy pub with live traditional music, enjoy a perfectly poured pint of Guinness, and just soak in the atmosphere. It's where stories are shared and friendships are made. Venture west to visit Galway City, a vibrant hub known for its lively art scene, colorful streets, and bohemian vibe. Explore its narrow lanes, listen to buskers, enjoy fresh seafood, and feel the energy of this charming city on the Wild Atlantic Way. It's a place that just grabs you. Ireland is also famous for its spirits, so take a whiskey tour. Learn about the history and craftsmanship behind Irish whiskey, from its triple distillation to its unique flavor profiles. Many distilleries offer tours and tastings, like the Jameson Distillery in Dublin or the Old Bushmills Distillery in Northern Ireland, Slaint. One of the most authentic Irish experiences is to attend a traditional Irish music session. These informal gatherings in pubs are where local musicians come together to play tunes, often spontaneously. The energy is infectious, the music is soulful, and it's a window into the heart of Irish culture. Just listen, clap along, and enjoy. And let's not forget about the food. Go on a food tour to sample Ireland's finest. From fresh seafood and artisanal cheeses to hearty stews and traditional soda bread, Irish cuisine is experiencing a renaissance. A food tour lets you taste your way through local markets and hidden culinary gems, often with a knowledgeable guide sharing stories. Beyond the well-trodden paths, Ireland offers some truly unique activities and opportunities for leisure. Believe it or not, Ireland has a burgeoning surf scene, so go surfing in County Sligo. The West Coast, particularly around Strandhill, offers fantastic waves for both beginners and experienced surfers, set against stunning wild landscapes. It's an exhilarating way to experience the Atlantic. For a classic Irish experience, go horseback riding and enjoy the Irish countryside from a different perspective. Many stables across the country offer treks through forests, along beaches, or over rolling hills. It's a peaceful and memorable way to connect with the landscape and some beautiful animals. Treat yourself to the grandeur of Powerscourt Estate and Gardens in County Wicklow. This magnificent estate boasts one of the world's great gardens, with Italian, Japanese, and walled gardens, plus a stunning view of the Sugarloaf Mountain. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll and a bit of elegant tranquility. For an active way to see the country, go cycling and explore the Irish countryside on two wheels. There are countless cycling routes, from gentle greenways like the Great Western Greenway to more challenging mountain trails. It allows you to slow down, absorb the scenery, and discover hidden corners. Another unique blend of history and nature is a visit to the Irish National Stud Gardens in County Kildare. It's home to some of the world's most magnificent thoroughbred horses, alongside beautifully landscaped Japanese gardens and St. Fiatra's Garden. It's a serene and fascinating place, even if you're not a horse enthusiast. And finally, perhaps the most important thing to do in Ireland isn't a place or an activity, but an experience. Enjoy the Irish hospitality. The warmth, humor, and friendliness of the Irish people are legendary. Strike up a conversation in a pub, ask for directions, or just share a laugh. These genuine interactions will be some of your most cherished memories. They are what truly make Ireland special. So there you have it, 30 incredible ways to experience the magic of Ireland. From scaling ancient ruins and chasing waves to singing along in a cozy pub and just soaking in the incredible hospitality, Ireland truly offers something for everyone. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, a nature lover, or simply seeking a good time, this island is ready to welcome you with open arms and a pint. I truly hope this list inspires you to pack your bags and embark on your very own unforgettable Irish adventure. Ready to plan your trip? Make sure to check the description below for the best deals.